welcome to Bevy of Bevins. Please like and subscribe and you'll get notifications of new videos we do. I'm a homeschooling mum of 6 and I live in New Zealand, and this is our journey. Today we're going to do an unboxing of some of the stuff we're going to use this year. And then the following videos coming up, I'm going to show you what each year is going to be using, each of my children. I'm currently only homeschooling 3 with different curriculum, and then we have another one who's part of our local correspondence school. We have a couple who are actually at school. So come and join me, and and I'll show you what's in the boxes. So our first box, can you see? It's from christianbook.com, and so let's have a look what's inside. Oh, I'm so excited about this one. So we have the complete Tales of Beatrix Potter, and very excited about this. I'm just going to have a show you inside because it's so beautiful. It's just all of the stories in one beautiful volume. Very excited. So this is for my 8-year-old. She is going into year 4, which is equivalent to grade 3. And this is going to be part of her literature. We're not reading literature studies, sorry. Oh, I can't give it again, so let's leave it. We're not actually reading the whole book. We're just reading 4 stories. And it's going to be going along with this, which we've got a whole set of literature study guides. And so this is the student guide for Beatrix Potter, and she will just read the stories and answer the questions. So let's see what else is in my box. We've got this one. We have The Courage of Sarah Noble for her, and obviously the story, although now I look at it we may have a double up, but we have the teacher's guide to go along with that, so that gives me answers for questions, enrichment activities, that sort of thing. I've got Charlotte's Web for her sister, Mr. Popper's Penguins for her older sister, a bear called Paddington. We've got Farmer Boy, that's the student guide. We've got 2 Little House in the Big Woods, because we've got both girls are going to be doing that. One will do it at the start of the year and one is going to do it at the end of the year. Prairie School, the student guide. Animal Folk of Tales of America. Here's the other one of the Little House in the Big Woods. This is the teacher guide for this one. Teacher guide for Beatrix Potter. Prairie School. Another Big House in the Little House in the Big Woods, Farmer Boy. Paddington. Mr. Popper's Penguins. Charlotte's Web. And then we do Story of the World, and so my treat to me this year was the CD versions, the audio books, so I don't have to read so much. We've got Critical Thinking, so these are just even more, they do a page a day. So we've got grade 4, grade 5, grade 2, and grade 1. So that is in that box, so that's exciting. I'm looking forward to doing all the great literature studies. They are Memoriam Press. If you are interested, I'll show you them a bit more in detail a bit later. So that was what was in that box, and our 2 Story of the Worlds, and our books that go with it. The other books that I have that you didn't see are because I already own them and we didn't double up. We just did what we had. In my next box, oh, sorry, it's wobbling. You can see, big box. I'm not sure if don't think it's labelled, but this is from Beautiful Feet Books. So I will show you what's inside this one. I'm super excited about this. So our girls are going to be doing, we've already got the first one, so they'll be following on with Around the World of Picture Books, part 2. And for that one we needed art masterpieces to colour, Anno's Denmark, Anno's Italy, Strigonona, Tuki and Mocha. Thus we've got Finding Winnie, Sailing to the Gallipolis, Wings for Purr, Carl, Get Out of the Garden, what else do they get? Anatoly, Stone Soup, Anno's Journey, El Chino, The Boy Who Held About the Sea, The Right Word, Anno Spain, and just a side note, Anno's books are wordless picture books, and so it really encourages the children to really take a really good look at the pictures and to really discover what life would have been like in the different countries. We have Martin de Porres, Minglu Moves the Mountains. This is actually for part 1, but we have with the other books. I just wanted to add this one in. The Story of Ferdinand, Lucia's Travel Bus, and I think that might be all for the girls. Then my boy, I have doing the history of horses and the history of science, and I've actually got them out so I can't show you them, but the books that come with that is, we've got Energy, we've got Great Inventors, we've got A Science Timeline, Isaac Newton, The Way Science Works, The Wright Brothers, George Washington Carver, Along Came Galileo, Thomas Edison, Ben Franklin, Story of Albert Einstein. We have Alexander Graham Bell's CD. Then, this also goes with this, I believe, is The Little Prince. Oh no, sorry, that's for Around the World. I apologise, that's Around the World Part 2. Then his horses one, so once again we had some of these books, but Variety and the Grand Canyon, so we read about 6 or 7 of Margaret Henry's books, but I'll show you them in another video. The book on horses, White Stallion of Pisa, and Drawing 50 Horses. And I believe one last thing, these are playing cards, but they are horses and they have little facts on them, so that's going to be fun for him to play and look at. So that is the end of my boxes. Come along with me on my next video and I will show you how we're using all these great things, but I'm so excited about the books we're using. We love literature, we love good literature, we love living books. So yeah, thanks for coming, subscribe and like, and we'll see you on our next video.